carbon cement manufacture is a huge producer of carbon dioxide. And so if we can go towards a biological approach, that's the synthetic part, is the engineer in me is like trying to say, okay, well, we have a problem. Here's the
How can I
problem.
create? Yeah, how can I
How can
create that
I,
process that I
how
end
can
up
I
getting the product that I'm? Wow.
Yeah, and so how can I use biology and use engineering principles, which we have done for the longest time, to understand nature and then use engineering to then design something new, like, bioconcrete, for example, or you can make batteries with bacteriophage. Like you can charge the capsid heads and you can make a battery with them, right? And so, think of a car that's completely photosynthetic, right? You just basically have a tank of cyanobacteria and you
You
feed
might
it
be causing trouble now. You might be.
you feed it water and it produces, we trap those electrons and we power a vehicle that's biology, right? And
Get
then
into it.
bioplastics.